Well, here we are, Monday morning, feeding the sheep. Everybody's still alive, nobody died. See, they got the food inside here. Chowing down. Didn't turn out too bad. Look at the cows later, see how they're doing. The cows are walking up the hill. These are all due in February, so we've been worried about that. They're walking around fine. They think I brought some grain, which is like free beer, sort of. Here's the water. It's working fine, see? Down to the creek. I don't know if you can see it or not. These are the bats. Got food and water, so they're good to go. If you notice, I'm in the tractor because the ranger couldn't make it up the hill.